Expect rain after applying concrete sealant to a new repair and act quickly to protect the uncured surface. When repairing concrete, the most important step after sealing is to ensure the surface remains dry for the manufacturer recommended rain-safe cure time, which is typically 24 hours but can vary with product and temperature. If there is any chance of precipitation, immediately cover the repair with clean plastic sheeting and secure the edges with weighted objects or low tack tape so wind does not lift it. Raise the cover slightly with small stakes or lumber to prevent the plastic from touching the fresh sealant surface, because contact can mar the finish and trap moisture. If you cannot get a full cover in place, use an improvised canopy such as a tarp supported on a rapid frame, keeping runoff away from the repair area. Monitor the forecast and local conditions. If temperatures will be low or humidity high, extend the dry protection time beyond the stated cure window, since curing slows under those conditions. If water does contact the uncured sealant, blot standing water away gently with clean, absorbent cloths and allow additional curing time before walking on or loading the area. Common mistakes include leaving the patch exposed because the rain was unexpected, which allows water to weaken the bond and create blushing or surface defects, so keep a plastic sheet and a few sandbags on hand and secure them immediately. Another issue is allowing the plastic to rest on the wet sealant, which creates stickiness and texture problems. Prevent that by propping the cover above the surface with strips of wood or stakes. A third problem is relying on the written cure time without adjusting for cold or humid weather, which slows chemical reactions and can leave the repair undercured. Extend the protected period until the surface reaches the recommended hardness by touch and resists light indentation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for local contractors with professionals who want work, and gives us a place to discuss field experiences and practical tips about repairs like sealed concrete. We have a discussion community where our members share real-world advice and contractor recommendations to help everyone make better choices.